Come on, kids, story time. Today, we're going to learn about one of the tallest and most fascinating animals on Earth, the giraffe. Giraffes live in the savannas and woodlands of Africa, where they roam among trees and wide open spaces. These amazing places provide everything giraffes need, from food to space to gallop. Giraffes are really tall, with long necks that help them reach leaves high up in the trees. They have a special pattern of spots all over their bodies, which is as unique as a human fingerprint. No two giraffes have the exact same pattern. Now, what do giraffes like to eat? Their favorite snack is leaves from the acacia tree. They use their long tongues, which can be as long as 18 inches, to grab leaves and avoid the sharp thorns. Giraffes can eat up to 75 pounds of leaves in a day. Giraffes are not just tall, they are also pretty fast. They can run at speeds up to 35 miles per hour over short distances. And despite their long legs, they are excellent at standing still and quiet, which helps them spot any danger from predators like lions. Giraffes also have a unique way of communicating with each other. They use sounds that are too low for humans to hear, and they can see each other from far away because of their height. So, next time you see a giraffe, either in a book, at a zoo, or in a video, remember how special they are. They remind us of the wonders of nature and the importance of taking care of our world's incredible wildlife. And that's the story of the giraffe. Aren't they amazing? Giraffes are not only known for their towering height and long necks, but also for their gentle eyes and long eyelashes, which help protect their eyes from the sun and sand. Another interesting fact about giraffes is their coat color. It can range from light tan to nearly black, depending on the giraffe's subspecies and the habitats they come from. Speaking of habitats, did you know giraffes are very important to their ecosystems? By eating the tops of trees, they help keep the foliage in the savanna from growing too dense. This allows sunlight to reach the ground, helping a variety of plants and smaller animals thrive. So, giraffes are like gardeners of their environments. Giraffes also have a unique drinking behavior. Because their necks are too short to reach the ground, they have to awkwardly spread their legs or kneel to reach water. This makes them vulnerable, so they are always watchful and quick to react to any threat. Now, let's talk about baby giraffes, called calves. When giraffe calves are born, they drop about 6 feet to the ground, but they are up and walking in less than an hour. Isn't that incredible? These calves grow quickly, fueled by their mother's milk, and within a few months, they start eating leaves. The social structure of giraffes is quite flexible. They don't have strong social bonds like elephants, but they do form groups that change often. This behavior helps them to keep an eye out for predators and find food more efficiently. Finally, did you know giraffes only need to sleep for a few minutes at a time? In total, they may sleep for about 30 minutes, scattered throughout the day, usually standing up to stay ready to escape from predators. Giraffes are truly remarkable creatures, with unique traits that make them perfect for the African landscapes they call home. They teach us a lot about adaptation and survival in the wild. Thanks for joining me to learn about these magnificent animals. Keep exploring and asking questions about the amazing wildlife in our world. While giraffes are a wonder to behold, they do face some challenges in the wild. One of the biggest threats to giraffes is the loss of their habitat. As more land is taken for agriculture and settlements, the spaces where giraffes live become smaller and more fragmented. This makes it harder for them to find enough food and roam freely, which is essential for their well-being. Another challenge for giraffes is poaching. Some people hunt giraffes for their meat, hides, and even their tails, which are considered a status symbol in some cultures. This illegal hunting, combined with habitat loss, has led to a decrease in giraffe populations in some areas. But there is good news. Many people around the world are working to protect giraffes. Conservationists help by tracking giraffe populations, working with local communities to protect habitats, and raising awareness about the needs and challenges of these towering creatures. Protected areas and wildlife reserves are also crucial in providing safe environments where giraffes can live and thrive. Conservation efforts also include scientific research to better understand giraffe behavior and genetics. This research helps improve breeding programs in zoos and wildlife parks, ensuring genetic diversity and healthy populations. Children can also play a part in helping giraffes. Learning about giraffes and telling others about what you've learned helps raise awareness. Some schools and youth groups even adopt a giraffe in a sanctuary, helping fund the care and protection these gentle giants need. Lastly, let's remember how giraffes inspire us with their grace and unique appearance. Their presence in nature reminds us of the beauty and diversity of wildlife on our planet and why we must strive to protect it. Every effort we make to conserve our world helps ensure that future generations can also marvel at these majestic animals. So, keep curious, keep learning, and who knows, maybe one day you'll help make a big difference in the lives of giraffes and other amazing animals around the globe.